Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and guess what? Your girl finally made a YouTube. Hey, your girl finally made a YouTube. So, if you're here, it's probably because you love me. And if you don't know me yet, don't worry, you'll grow to love me too. Normally on my social media channels, I'm giving you a cute makeup tutorial, or I'm probably giving you a nice little girl chat, but that's not gonna be this video. But don't you fret, because my YouTube channel is gonna be all beauty and lifestyle, you guys. So make sure you click the subscribe button, ring that bell, like and comment whatever you need to do to make sure you get this content, because you know what? Your girl is going to be giving. I'm going to be giving. So today I wanted to bring you guys a review of the Isee Mongolian Kinky curly hair. And you guys, can we just take a second to get into the hair, because it's, oh my God, get into these curls. These curls are for the girls, a baby girl. Like, oh my God, you guys, I am loving this hair. So I got 22 inches, and you'll see in the video that I trimmed it a little bit. Also, I got the 13x6 part, and then it came pre-plucked, but I didn't pluck anything else because, quite frankly, I don't know how. You guys, this is my first time installing a lace frontal, so be nice to me in the comments. If we weren't social distancing, I would let you guys feel it, but we need 6 feet, so I don't got time, because when outside opens up, I'm out. I'm catfishing, I'm out here. But yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to see how I put this together. So just stay tuned to the end of the video. Let me know what you think, and yeah, enjoy. Okay, you guys, so here's the cute packaging that the hair came in. I got 22 inches and 150 density. It came with an elastic band and some cute lashes, you guys. You know your girl loves some lashes. This is the natural state of the hair right out of the pack. And it had a slight odor to it, nothing serious because I was able to put the hair on, but I just wanted you guys to know that. Here is the inside of the lace with the clips for security, and also the front of the lace so you guys can see how transparent it is. And I wanted to put it on my head as well so you guys can see the pre-plucked hairline that it came in its natural state. And also so you guys can see the true length of this hair, I put it on a mannequin head so you guys can see the curls as well. This hair I got in a 13x6, so it means the part goes back sleep, you guys. So I'm going to take my True Match Lace Conceal in the color dark and spray it over my lace to get a more natural look. So now that I sprayed both my lace and cap with the True Match Conceal, I'm going to take my wig and place it on my head for the desired position, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure it with the clips. Now I'm going to take some clips and move the hair out my way so we can get to the hardest part ever, cutting the lace. I took a pair of scissors to start cutting the lace, but then I realized that no hairline is a straight line. So what I decided to do is take a pair of eyebrow razors and use that instead to cut, so it can go in a zigzag motion. And you may notice that this side of my hair looks wet. That's because I attempted to freeze it down first, and then on the other side I decided not to. So you guys, what I would suggest is cutting around your ears first to make sure that the cap fits, spraying it down with the freeze spray to hold, and then using the razor. I obviously cut off too much lace, you guys, but like I said, it was my first time, so I made it do what it do. So here's what the lace is looking like now, you guys. And now for the most important part, it's time to secure your wig, honey. I'm going to take the Got2b freeze spray and spray it directly over my edges to lay down the lace. Don't worry, no edges were hurt in the making of this video. Also, side note, shout out to my foundation Becker. I put her through the ringer. You guys, do not lay your lace with your foundation on. Don't. So to help me lay down my lace, I'm taking my Babyliss blow dryer on medium heat and a rat tooth comb and just pressing it into my scalp. I know it looks crazy, you guys. Don't roast me in the comments, but it eventually came together. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side with my freeze spray. Now, what I would suggest you guys is take your time. As you can see, the top part of my lace in the front is lifting up. That's because I didn't take my time. I didn't go section by section. What I should have did is went from the side to the top to the other side to make sure everything was laid down. But now I know. And this is the hair right now after it's been freeze sprayed. And you guys get a glimpse at this scalp. This 13 by 6 is something serious. It goes back deep. How you doing? A real natural scalp. Okay, so now it's time to give your girl some body. I'm taking my scissors and going through to give my hair a cute little shape, but being sure not to take off too much hair. Just enough. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Isee conditioner and mix it in a spray bottle with some water and just go through section by section and brush out the curls so we can see what they're looking like. And you guys, this is the fun part. So I was going through with my brush and I was in love. Look at this. So you can see the difference of one side wet and one side dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other section and make sure I'm just spraying everything and going through with my brush. You guys, how beautiful are these curls? These curls are really for the girls. Now I'm taking my diffuser on medium cool and I'm just gonna fluff my hair so the curls can stay intact and dry this way. Now I didn't know what I was doing. I was trying to be like those YouTube girls, but I went section by section and I did this for about 3 to 5 minutes, just going through each part of my hair. Now I'm taking some duck clips and placing them at the front of my hair to give it some lift, because who likes flat hair? We need some body. And you guys, this is how it turned out. No filter. I'm cute. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. After I diffused the hair and I kind of just been letting it do its own thing. And it's just been drying. Just the scalp. It's a cute situation, you guys. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really kind of feeling this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.